Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be repotting this Blackthorn, which I bought off Tony Tickle from Doncaster Bootsale. The whole top of this tree is dead from this live branch here round. All I want to do is get repotted at an angle which I think I wanted at. The buds are just starting to open on this, so we've got some little leaves. I really should have done it a couple of days ago, but I'll still give it a go. Should be okay. First things first, we'll get it out of this soil and we'll have a look to see what root system we've got. Tony says it's been in here maybe 2 to 3 years, so it's okay to repot now. Hasn't just been collected. Well, let's get it out of the pot and have a look. Not tied in. It's got a fair bit root on this. I want to be taking these down. So what I'm going to do, I've got no root on this end. I'm going to take it back. Come on, wee dog. I've took it back to that root there. These are too low, so we don't need these. This root's dead. I want to take this back to here. Oh, not with them, I'm not. Get the ratchet pruners on. So really that's about as much root work I want to do on it. I only took that little bit off and the dead branches. This pot I made on my 40th birthday. We had Dave to pop one up. And we've done like a workshop making pots. I went a bit overboard and put the little dragons on the Celtic bands. I didn't put one on the back, just in case I wanted a plain front. It's already got the mesh in, which is handy. So all I need to do now is add my tie down wires in. So we'll do that. So I'm using the gym pliers to get it nice bend on it, so we've got no slack for when we do the final twist. I'll not have a go at Scott either day on this one. But Scott, these are tie-in wires. I'm not going to bother washing the roots because, as you can see, they're pretty clean anyways. I want to put this in Akadama. Just some small stuff. Doesn't make the soup very good, does it? I think be careful with the roots we've got left. So, I need that off there. And over there, because I don't want the wire getting the roots. We'll fill it up now.
How much space do you need?
Yeah.
Bit of greenery in the new office.
Where's the jades?
In the green wing. I take it I've interrupted the video, have I, mate?
No, you're alright.
Hello, folks.
Hello, folks. Right, I'll pause it, then we can have a chat now.
I just thought I'd test.
See you ta-da, folks.
You what?
See you ta-da, folks.
Ta-da, folks.
We're just working the air out. Get all the pockets and that out. So, don't forget to tighten your wires on the bottom. Makes it a bit stronger. What I'll do is I'll give it a good water, then we'll come back. So as you can see, I've got a box of moss, so just for the purpose of this video I'm gonna put some on this tray. I was fitting windows last week and this was growing on the house roof, so I thought I'll get the scraper out and get some. I'll stick a picture up there because the son got a picture of us getting the moss. So we do love a bit moss. Well, I think we'll just add some on the tray. The blackies will only nick it. The blackbird, sorry. Probably a waste of time. But it does look nice. Probably not used all that way. As you can see, I buried the nabari pretty far down in the pot because there was some roots coming over the top and I didn't want to take them off. So after a few years grow, we'll revisit the root system to see if we can shorten that big long root and take some of the length off. But it should grow great in this pot from 2 to 3 years now, which I'll not touch. Maybe it's a couple of years, put a bit initial styling into it. The dead wood I want to leave to last because I don't know what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to use. But it'll be all dead from here up white. I really don't know what I want to use yet. Now it's just time to let it grow because I need to get some growth into it and keep the tree alive. It's alive, you can see it's popping. Eventually, if I leave it at this angle, this will probably be an apex in here. Maybe it's a back branch and a side branch. But we'll see how it grows from there. What I'll do now is I want to put it in the greenhouse for a couple of weeks maybe. Then I'll find a sheltered spot outside so the wind kind of blow it. But it's not a bad tree, which I bought off Mr. Tickle. So for the money I kind of grumble. I'm quite pleased with it. It's the first Blackthorn I've got in my collection. I've got a shed load of hawthorns, but I haven't got a Blackthorn. It'll be nice to see how this progresses in the future. I'll give you a little quick look at it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe, help the channel out a bit. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.